Have a very pleasant day to all of you. Good morning, dear audience. I am Wasim Ahmed, and today I will be talking about a persuasive topic that is related to a hybrid car, the significance of buying hybrid car, and the drawback which also lead to destruction. But apart from the technology has flourished far and wide, especially in foreign countries, these problems are overcome efficiently and effectively. There are the problems of hybrid car. Let me ask a simple question from you. What is hybrid car? Basically, a hybrid car use more than one mean of energy, combine a petrol or diesel engine with an electric motor, and two systems work with each other to move their vehicle. The big battery that make a hybrid possible and might actually just as a bad burning too much gasoline. Hybrid car batteries generally weaker than standard car batteries, which may need replacement. Replacing hybrid car batteries in some time of coastline to the replacing a standard high level oxygen to signal and major problem with the mileage, which benefit today and over time with more frequent trip to the gas station. Buying a hybrid car can be very benefit for today, but at the same time can usual mechanical issues as well as the technological issues as I mentioned above. So, how to overcome these issues? The new method of vehicle used for the hybrid and electrical vehicle involving solving a new problem with their control. And the primarily the control of electric population of units. The new approach require energy management of the hybrid vehicle, especially for the control in necessary of battery management. The most expensive part of this vehicle is battery. This is the main task for battery management system. However, the system has many other significant functions. The fundamental function of battery management system is control with charging in it. Charging control depend on a type of batteries. A similar situation can be seen more or less in energy management and battery management. However, the cooperation of vehicle batteries with electrical grids is greater challenge for the near future. There are some important and benefit of hybrid car. One of the biggest advantage of hybrid car over gasoline powered car in the range clear and has a better gas mileage, which makes it environment friendly. A hybrid car run a twin powder engine that cut the fuel consumption and encourage energy. Hybrid car is much cleaner, require less fuel to run, which means few emissions and less dependence on fuel. The gasoline engine used in hybrid car are usually small, light and high effective as they do not have to power the car alone. Each time you apply the brake while driving a hybrid vehicle, it's help you to recharge your battery. A little hybrid vehicle can be drive entirely with electricity. As a result, hybrid car ranked high in technological factory due to the plentiful account of benefit, which means it's different from other vehicles, and buying hybrid car is good for decision made by the pupils. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.